Hi guys, Nice Bigfoot here, and today I'm going to be fishing this little creek here. Yes, I'm pretty sure there's creek chubs in here, so I'm just going to use this little size 10 hook. So yeah, I got this little thing of power bait yesterday. It's pretty nice. I think it's just like dough. Then you just pinch it, brings them out like this. It's kind of weird, but then you roll it up into like a ball type thing, like salmon eggs, but just there's more in there and you can make it any size you want. I think that's pretty cool. It's a little messy, but fishing's kind of about getting messy. So what I'm doing here is doing this, just put it on the hook and then like kind of like surround it like this, and then stripping out some line to make it fall down. It's kind of hard since it's just a plain hook, but it really works. So you go, look at, you see all them fish? I got one right away. I think that's just so cool. So this is a nice little creek chub. If you've never caught one before, I would definitely go check it out. I would not go check it out, but I would definitely go creek fishing more often. Actually, can you guys tell me what kind of fish this is? Like, actually, I'm pretty sure it's a creek chub, but I'm not for sure. So let's just let this guy go. But every time they steal my bait, and it's really annoying. So you kind of have to get used to just grabbing some. And I got this stuff yesterday, so this is like my first time using it. Okay, well, I need to get some more. There's bears out here too, so I'm a little cautious. Because when I try to cast normal, it does that, so I need a strip line and go. That's a pretty good cast. Fish seem to be going away. Yeah, that's not going to work. That is though. Okay. The little place is just down here. I wonder if I can get there on land. I'm not gonna. What is it? I'm just gonna try this little place really quick. Looks promising. I know you guys right now are probably laughing at my cast, but it's a lot harder than it looks. Okay. I don't really know where all the fish are anymore. So I was catching them one after the other over there. Looks like we're gonna have to move positions. I'll be with you guys once we get there now. Let's try this, please. Oh, my bait already? Freaking turd. And suggest me some baits that I should use in your, besides rooster tails, because they're just a little bit too small. I mean, the fish are a little bit too small for the rooster tails. Ugh. Oh, oh. Dang it, you took it off again. Okay, I need to figure out something, like, really to get it on there good. Like, can you guys, like, tell me tips or something to get it on so, like, it doesn't come off, like, at all? I just need to get the hooks, like, I just need the hook to just get right into them. Are you freaking kidding me? Right away each time. Well, I'll be back to you guys in a little bit when they're actually back. Sorry that I've been talking kind of quiet. It's just sometimes the fish are sensitive to sound, so I don't really want to spook them. Just want to catch one. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, do you guys see that crawfish right there? There's like two. If I see one close to shore, I'll pick it up for you guys. Oh, dang it. That was the biggest one so far. Yes, I got one. See, guys? This one doesn't have the yellow on them, as the other one did. So again, tell me what kind of fish these are. And these are just pretty. I don't know. I know that might sound weird. Oh, they're just minnows. But like, come on. They're fish. They're pretty. So now I just caught that one, so I'm going to do two more casts. And if I don't catch one, I'm just going to end the video right there. Ooh, there's a huge one in there. Holy crap. Dang it. Okay, get him off. Okay, so I said two, right? Those ones are small ones. I have to get way out there to get the big ones. Okay. What the crap happened here? Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh my gosh. So, I'm not going to be able to reel in, so I'm just going to. No bait. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you like it, smash that like button, and I'll see all you guys in the next one. Goodbye.